Now let us work on complete homepage. So inside homepage, we will have two sections. First will be the sidebar where we will have filters and then we are going to display the products. As of now, we will be creating static structure. Later on, from database, we will access all the data and display to user. So open index.php file. Carefully, step by step, you have to do all the stylings. Below this nav bar, I will write one comment. Let me write home page. Create div. For this, I will give the class as container and also I will be passing margin y of 4. Inside this div container, I will create another div. For this, I will give the class as hero banner and here I will write the text. Find the perfect gift for every occasion. Come here, refresh once. You can see I am having this hero banner. And why I am having these stylings? Because we have already linked our custom style sheet. Now below this div, I will be creating another div. For this, I will give the class as container. Inside this, I will create another div. Here, I will give the class as row. So in total, we will have 12 column space. So first, I will be dividing into 3 column div column in larger screen. I will be passing 3. Then I will write margin bottom of 4 and also I will be giving the class as sidebar. This will be the first div where I will be displaying the sidebar. Then I will be creating another div. For this remaining 9 I am just going to assign. So total will be 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now inside this first div I will write h4. Next I will be passing occasions. Below this, create one UL. I will give the class as navbar nav. Inside this, I will be writing li. In total, I need 3 LIs. And for each li, I will give the class as nav item. And inside this li, I will be passing anchor tag. Okay, you have to give this greater symbol anchor tag. And for this anchor tag, I will give the class as navlink. Hit enter. You can see in total I am having 3 LIs and inside each LI I am having anchor tag. As of now, I will be passing static data. Let me write occasion as birthday. Then I will write anniversary. And then finally, I will be writing Valentine. Save this. Come to project, refresh one. All the occasions will be displayed. And if I hover on this, successfully all the stylings will be applied. Now same thing I will copy. Below this UL, I will be pasting in place of occasions. Now I will write gift categories. Here I will write photo frames. Let me pass greeting cards. And then finally, I will be passing bouquet. Save. Come here, refresh once. All the gift categories will be displayed and all the stylings will also be applied. Now coming to our product section. Now here I will be creating another div. For this I will give the class as row and also I will be giving gutter of 4. Okay, it will be adjusting the spaces. Again I am having row which means inside this I can create 12 columns. Now what I will do for each and every product I will be passing 4 column space. I will create div call in medium screen, I will be passing 4 and also I will give margin bottom of 4. Once I display 4 cards, below that I should be having some space and only after that I should display another cards. Same thing copy, paste and paste. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So in total, inside the row, I will be having 12 column space. Now inside this first div, create another div. For this, I will give the class as card. Then here I will be passing image. This entire products, whatever will be shown to user, all the products will be created by admin. So all these product images we will have inside admin folder. As of now, we are not working on admin. So what I will do, inside this images folder itself, I will be pasting some product images. Okay, now you can see I have pasted some images and whatever products I will be showing here, all the products are from my shop where I am selling handmade gifts and hampers. I will be passing the folder images, and inside this I will write zigzag1.jpeg. Inside alt I will write product image, and also I will be passing the class name. Class is equal to card image top. Save this. Come to project, refresh once, you can see image product is displayed, and this is the birthday zigzag card you can customize for any occasion. Now below this I will create another div. For this I will give the class as card body. Inside this write h5 card title. Directly if you want you can copy this complete code from Bootstrap, but let us write card title zigzag birthday card. Save this. Come here, refresh once, title is been added. Below this create one paragraph. Here I will give card text. Let me simply pass lorem 5, hit enter. Okay, some random data. Refresh once, text is displayed. Below this I will be creating span. Here I will give the class as card price. Price, let me pass 499. Save. Come here, refresh once, price is also displayed. Below this span, I will create one div. For this, I will give the class as card actions. I will write display flex, and also I will be passing gap of 2 and margin top of 2. Anchor tag. Inside this, I will give the class name. I will be passing btn, and also I will pass another class btn custom. Inside this, I will be writing FA card plus font awesome classes so that I can have card symbol, and ME2. Then inside this anchor tag, here I will write add to cart. Save this. Come to project, refresh once. Now you can see I am having this font awesome, and also I am having this text. Now same thing copy. Below this I will be pasting. As of now, pass this hash, and here also I will be passing this hash. In place of add to cart, write the text as view. Remove this custom. I will write button view product. Here FAS, remove this, write FAI, and also ME of 2. Save this, exact same thing, only thing I have changed these classes. Now come here, refresh once. I am having this view button, and also I am having this eye symbol. Now if the user clicks on this add to cart, item will be added to cart. If the user clicks on this view, user can see entire content of this product. Now what I will do, this entire div I am just going to copy. In place of this I will be pasting, and also in place of this I will be pasting. Now come here, refresh once. In total, I am having 3 products. Now accordingly, I will be changing the text as well as image. Remove this. Here let me pass birthday card 1.png. I will write birthday card. Okay, random price 299. Rest entire thing is same. Remove this. Here I will write greeting card 1.png. Let me write greeting card. Save. Rest entire thing is same. Rest entire thing is same. Refresh once. You can see this is the zigzag birthday card. This is the birthday box, and this is the greeting card. And prices and products are displayed. You can see we have completed header, nav bar, homepage, and footer. Whatever I have taught line by line, if you follow, you will be able to create exact same design.